So what if I told you there is a way now to directly purchase on platforms like Taobao 168 and Pinduoduo without a passport, without Alipay, without WeChat Pay? Let me show you how. So let's talk about how it works. It's quite simple. You search for the products on Taobao 168 or Pinduoduo links. Then you purchase it after adding it to your cart. You can use Visa, MasterCard, or you can just use your direct bank transfer. Now, there's two ways. You can have the product stored in our warehouse and we'll ship it to your country, or you can ship the products directly to your freight forwarder and then you deal with the shipping from China to your country. So after you sign up to make an account, it's quite easy to use. There's actually three ways you can search for product. One is that you have reverse image search. So we have a product that you want to buy. Then you can select the photo and select your provider, Taobao 168 Pinduoduo, and it will search for them. Another one is you can do keyword search. You can just search here with the keywords, click search, depending on which platform you want to use, and it will give you results. And the last one is probably the easiest in my opinion, is just directly with the product link from the supplier. You then add the products to the cart and then continue to check out. So let's show you how to use a product link method. Now, here I have a product from Taobao, right? So this is, let's say this is the product you want to buy from Taobao. You just copy it. And then the website should be able to detect that you have the link copied in your clipboard and will give you the option to search it. So you see here, there's a pop-up that says, do you want to search for this product? So then just go to the product detail. So here you can see it takes me directly to the product page and you can buy the sword or this figure or whatever this is. I just picked a random product. Then you can select which one you want to buy, how many of each, and then you add it to the cart. So you can see after it's been added to the cart, that is good to go. Let's say you want this bonsai tree. You can just copy the link, go back to the website, and if it doesn't show up automatically as an option, you can just paste it into the search bar and search for the product that way, or just wait for the pop-up to go to the product page. Here you can see the product details of the different bonsai trees you may be interested in. I'm just going to pick random ones. You see more details about the products here. Note this is directly connected to 168, so everything in 168 is here. So the descriptions are in English, but of course I can't change the images to English. There's no software that can do that yet. So then you add it to the cart. So if you want to check shipping rates for your country listed, you can simply go to the shipping tab and put the weight in kilograms, the dimensions in centimeters and location of the country, and then click on calculate, and it will give you shipping rates. Note that this platform is best used for businesses, as in purchasing in bulk, so you get the best rates. If you're looking for drop shipping or, like the small package shipping just for individual use, it's not suitable for that. So please don't use this for that kind of business model. It will not work well for you. If you go to the pricing tab, I offer different kinds of tiers. Of course, I have the free tier that you can just try it out yourself, the standard tier, the premium tier, and the enterprise tier. The differences are the fees in each of the tiers. You can always apply for the enterprise tier if you have to do large bulk orders and you want to negotiate the different fees that are included with your subscription service. So here I am in the carts. Again, you can just verify what products you have. These are just some random products that were added later on. Then I'm going to proceed to checkout. So at the checkout screen, you can see that you have all the products here and the domestic shipping. This shipping is from the factory to the freight forwarder, either my warehouse if you're using our shipping services, or to your warehouse. The shipping is not free when it comes to domestic shipping in China. You can pay either through direct bank transfer or through debit and credit card. Then you can look at the terms and agreements for all that. Something to note is that there is a discount code if you get a discount code here, and you can ship the product to either your final destination. So if you need an invoice, make sure you put the details here that you want to see on the invoice. And if you're shipping it inside of China, just make sure you accurately state in Chinese where the address is. But if you're shipping to another country, just select another country here. And you can write additional notes here that maybe you need. Okay, please paste this note on the package before shipping it so that the warehouse can know it is coming from you. Do note that we do also have an app version of this. You can download it from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. And you can see the interface like this is actually quite similar and quite smart, as in like if you copy the product from the mobile app that you're searching on 1688 and paste it here, or it will automatically detect it and you can view your cart and details just like you would on the website browser. So we made a mobile application as well as a web application to make your life easier. So now you have a method to actually directly buy from Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Tmall, all that without needing all that Alipay, WeChat Pay nonsense. You can go straight to the supplier. Also, if you want to source goods from other platforms like Idlefish, also known as Xianyu, or from other Chinese platforms that are not on this website, of course, you can feel free to contact me and then we can make a membership on the website so that you can have access to those sourcing platforms. Now, if you do actually want to go through the pain of having an Alipay account and WeChat Pay account, you definitely need a Chinese bank account to make this streamlined. So you can check out this video right here on exactly how to get a Chinese bank account on a tourist visa when you're inside China.